This is now the third part of our sub-assembly for the weld fixture. So as usual, okay, we start with saving anyway. So I'll call this a web plate or the fixture, and then it in our folder for the weld fixture and save. So okay, we can start with the red plane. Looking for a point now to start our drawing. Maybe we can start with this corner without the fillet, I mean the chamfer. So we go up 160 mils and left. From that point we can go 50 mils, and from this point we go up, but we don't know by how much, so we can just go a bit off the line. This line is broken, so I'll delete it. So we start from that point and go up a bit of the line because of this dimension. Between this line and that line is 40 put dimension, and then we put 75 mils. That was close, and that gives us the top point. So if we draw a line from this point, we just have to cut that one and then we trim. So you can either press trim or letter T, and then you trim off those two ends. And then at the bottom here, all we need to do is put a chamfer, equal distance chamfer, and the chamfer is between these two ends, and the chamfer is 10 mils. And that sketch is now finished. We do extrude by 15, small house, and that's the end of that. Let's check this extrude, edit feature. Yeah, it's 15. That's fine. So we now go to the assembly.